Now.
All right, you're on? Yo, what up? It's LG. I forgot the name. Hold on, give me a second. LG Direct Inverter Direct Drive washing machine. I've done a lot of research on this. This is the part that is supposedly no good. So where's the other part? Oh, here it is. So we got the same part. We ordered it off of Amazon. So we're gonna try to fix this. See what happens. Got my boy here recording. So, all right, there's two little clips here. There's two little tabs here. This is what it snaps on to. Oh, it's not what we wanted to do. All right, I think we're on. So this right here clips into this. All right, hold on.
You want me to hold it?
Yeah. Hold that, Sammy, for me so I could, over here. So that goes into there. That's already clipped in. You have a ground right here. When you put this on, you want to be about 7 o'clock. So this is 6 o'clock. That's 12 o'clock, obviously. 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Okay. And, oh, hold on. We got to put this other thing on first. Give me a second. Oh, and that didn't even clip in. So it just snapped into these two tabs right here. Okay. We got to get the other part of the tumbler. Give me a second. Hold on. Or wait, no. Does this go in after? Yeah. Okay, it does go in after. So... Okay, that snaps into there like that, and this is your ground right here. So if you come down here, there's a little screw right there. That's literally where the ground goes in. So 7 o'clock, you want to line, hold on, excuse me. So you got these bolts right here. Seven o'clock. You see what I'm saying? Hold on. Let me get this in first. All right, so 7 o'clock is, 6 o'clock is this way. You want your ground at about 7 o'clock. Hold on. Oh. I made a mistake. Hold on 1 second. There's the ground. Hold on. Oh, there's the ground. Okay. I see it now. All right, see this? This is on. It's got 6 bolts, so let me just put like 2 of them in real quick, just to get going. Oh, that was a bad idea. Hold on. All right, so I pretty much got the magnetic field on. I got to put the rest of the screws in. Hold on. But I want to show you the ground. This little, that wire right there. There's a ground screw that goes in there. That's got to be screwed in. And like I said, it's right at 7 o'clock. Sammy, give me some light down here. Oh. Lost the screw. Got it back. All right, hold on. right, that's snapped in. I think they're these bolts right here, 11 millimeters. I think. Hold on. 10 millimeters. Excuse me. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like you're putting on a tire, guys, you want to do them all evenly, all at the same time. So I'll just put them all in right now. First time I'm doing this, so bear with me here. But I really think this is what's wrong with it. Hold on. Oh yeah, another thing I was told is these little metal tumblers on the outside, if any of them are damaged, that could be causing your I forgot what it is, L something problem. LE problem. Oh, this one's stripped. Or just it's getting tight. No, it's not, definitely not stripped. Your air on your basically it's pretty much your washer won't empty or spin. I should have an electric drill, but I don't. So you're gonna have to bear with me. Yo, we still going, Sammy?
Stop.
Huh?
We still going.
All right,
53.
good. Brand new phone, so better have enough memory. That's all I'm trying to say. This is gonna work, man. Let's hope it does. Yeah, see, once it starts getting tighter, the screws are getting easier. So. I forgot to put this in. Fuck it. No, I did not forget to put it in. I can still put it in. Thank God. I think that was the screw that I was supposed to use. That I just used, but whatever. All right. Once you get them all snug, just snug them up. I don't know what the torque is, but they do have lock screws, set screws, and lock screws. So there's a little washer, or no, lock washers is what I'm trying to say. So we got, what do we got? We gotta put this on first. That's obviously, maybe I was right. Hold on. So there's a little clip here. It's really not important, but I would put it back on if you can. It's it goes right above the ground for the tumbler that I'm looking at right now. Well, let me see if I can get this, snap this thing on here. Yep, I can. It's literally to protect the wires from the thing spinning. And yes, that was the right screw. It goes right in. It's in, good to go. All right, next. All right, this is the cap. This is one of the things that they said that if you get this error, just make sure this I forgot what they called it. Jesus Christ. This gear right here should not be stripped. And then there's literally, hold on. I swear there was a big ass screw. Oh, there's one big ass screw that goes in the middle. So you gotta just make sure that this goes on. It's magnetic too, so it's gonna catch. You gotta wiggle it on. Once you wiggle it on, this black part and that white part right there should be flush with each other. Show them, Sammy. Like this should be flush. Like you want to make sure this is all the way in. Okay. And then there's a center hole right here. I'm about to put a screw in. Give me a second. Right here. So this is the center screw. Okay, I don't even know. I would say, I think it's 1/2 inch or something. Let me see. All right, obviously I have the screw the bit out here. Hold on, 1 second. It is 17 millimeters. So it could be metric, but I didn't have a metric at this point. So, oh look, $5 bill. This is no longer in service. Anyways, tighten this bad boy up. Oh, and they say take a screwdriver.
It's the third time, man.
Don't. You gotta keep farting. Whatever.
Who's behind me, man?
Who cares?
Behind me.
Anyways, take a screwdriver to tighten this up. So you look. See, you want it to hit it so you can get some torque. Boom. Tighten that bad boy up. All right. Now you got. Hold on 1 second. The easiest part, I would say, in my opinion. This little cover right here. This goes on, slides in. It's gotta be this way.
This is gonna be the hardest part out. So I think the
Oh no, it's easy. I'm just screwing it up. Hold on.
The other way? No, it's
No,
that way.
this is that way. Go in here. This has got to slide in. This should slide down. Hold on. Oh, it's got to go on the top first. That's why I was having trouble with it. All right, boom. Now, look. Now you got these 4 screws. You guys look, see? Little simple, crazy screws. If you lose a screw, I mean, I would say it's not a big deal, but it is, but it isn't. That's all right. Don't worry about it. Is it there?
It's there. It's good.
You good? You still recording?
Yep.
We dropped the phone. 4 screws. Let's see what the fuck happens. If it doesn't work, you're probably not going to see this on YouTube.
Alright.
But if it does work.
2119. My fingers got tired. I'm holding 2 things.
That's alright, dude. I'll take care of you. This guy's working right now as a cameraman.
Trying to.
Probably about $20 an hour when he walks away. But it is what it is. Now what I need you to do, Sammy, right? I need you to pan out like in front of the washer. I'm gonna, hold on, let me just tighten these. Keep recording down here. You learned something today, Sammy. No? Yeah. Next time you get a washer, there's one of these. You'll know. I can't. I'm getting tired.
So I was holding this with 2 fingers.
I can't see my eyes.
I was holding this for 20 minutes and then it dropped. Now I gotta hold it like this.
Yo, we just gotta see this thing fucking spin. All right, so look. We're gonna plug it in. Make sure the water's on. I think it is. It's obviously on because it's leaking a little bit. All right, pan out. Come this way. Give them a view of the front. All right, let's see what happens. All right, let's see what happens. If it spins, we fix it. Is it spinning? Uh-oh.
Probably just needs clothes in it. It's spinning.
It's fucking spinning. We fixed it. This is the problem. Yo, guys, I'm gonna do a, it's getting all the water out because this thing was not spinning. All it was doing is giving me an error. And this is an LG inverter direct drive. Look at that, LG. Give the guys the symbols on it. I did a lot of fucking research to get this thing fixed, so it's working right now. So that's what it was, and it cost me $10, and I'll give you the part number tomorrow when I edit this video. See it spinning? All right, Sammy, you're good. You can hit the stop button.
Peace.
Yo, peace. Sammy, my boy, help me fix this shit.